अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है ट्वेल्थ क्लास के लिए बिजनेस स्टडीज से हमने लिया है, दैट इज़ कॉन्सेप्ट एंड इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ मोटिवेशन। कि कल हम जो पढ़े थे दैट वाज कि सुपरविज़न हमने डिस्कस किया था। आज हम मोटिवेशन पे यानी कि बात करेंगे। तो पहले कॉन्सेप्ट पे जाते हैं। The word motivation has been derived from the Latin word movers। ये जो motivation है ये एक लैटिन वर्ड से लिया गया है, movers से, which means to move। Motivation may be regarded as something which prompts, compels and energizes an individual to act or behave in a particular manner at a particular time for attaining some specific goals. Motivation is the driving force that inspires people to put their efforts willingly for the achievement of organizational goals. It is the inner state within an individual that automatically drives him towards goal oriented activities. It is a psychological phenomena which energizes activities and stimulates the internal feeling of the employees to accomplish desired goals. Arousal of such a feeling in the mind of an individual derives him automatically to attain the expected goals of an organization. It cannot be forced on employees. It comes instinctively from the employees as it is their voluntary willingness to do the work. Meaning of motive, motivation and motivators। मोटिव क्या होता है, मोटिवेशन क्या होता है और मोटिवेटर्स क्या होता है, इनको हम डिस्कस करेंगे ताकि हमें क्लियर हो जाए मोटिवेशन का कॉन्सेप्ट। ए मोटिव कैन बी डिफाइंड एज एन इनर थॉट that directs or stimulates an individual to action. Needs of an individual give rise to such motives. For example, the need for water causes thirst, on account of which a man searches for water. Some other motives are hunger, security, thirst, recognition, etc. Motivation क्या होता है? Motivation is referred to as a process of inducing people to act towards achievement of the desired goals. It is concerned with satisfying the needs of people. Motivators. The term motivators refers to the techniques used by the managers to motivate the people. Important motivators used are promotion, recognition, praise, bonus, pay, etc. to inspire the people in an organization to contribute their best efforts. इस मोटिवेशन की कुछ डेफिनेशन भी यहाँ पे दी हैं। तो पहली डेफिनेशन है दैट इज़ विलियम जी स्काउट ने दी है। Motivation means a process of stimulating people to action to accomplish desired goals। तो दूसरी डेफिनेशन है जो मैकफरलैंड ने दी है, that is motivation refers to the way in which urges, drives, desires, aspirations, strivings or needs direct, control and explain the behavior of human beings। दूसरी मोटिवेशन जो डुबिन ने दी है, that is motivation is the complex forces starting and keeping a person of work in an organization, motivation is something which moves the person to action and continues him in the course of action already initiated. फ्रेड लुथनस ने और एक डेफिनेशन दी है, मोटिवेशन इज ए प्रोसेस which begins with a psychological or physiological need or deficiency which triggers behavior or a drive that is aimed at a goal or incentive. फीचर्स ऑफ मोटिवेशन, मोटिवेशन के क्या फीचर्स हैं? इंटरनल फीलिंग. Motivation is an inner feeling consisting of the urges, needs, desires, aspirations, etc. of an individual which influences human behavior. For example, an individual may have need for having a car, comfortable house, reputation in the society. दूसरी इसकी जो फीचर है that is goal directed behavior. Motivation results in behavior directed towards goals. For example, if an employee wants high pay, he will try to improve his performance. Third one, that is both positive and negative. Motivation can be both positive and negative, but the main aim of both is to inspire the people to work in the required manner. Examples of positive motivators are promotion, bonus, respect, recognition, etc. Whereas negative motivators are warning, demotion, stopping increments, etc. कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रोसेस, ये जो मोटिवेशन है बहुत मुश्किल काम है, ये बहुत मुश्किल अमल है. Motivation is a complex process. All individuals do not have same needs, same desires, same reactions. A particular motivator may not obviously satisfy the internal feelings of all the individuals. Motivation की importance पे अब हम जाएंगे. Motivation is an important factor in determining the efficiency of an organization. With its help, a desire is born in the minds of the employees to successfully achieve the organizational objectives. The importance of motivation can be derived from its benefits. तो इसका पहला जो बेनिफिट है वो क्या है? Helps in satisfying needs of the employees. Motivation helps in satisfying the needs of the employees. Thus, they are inspired to contribute their maximum efforts for achieving organizational goals. A satisfied employee can always turn out expected performance. दूसरी इसकी importance है that is changes the negative attitude to positive. Motivation changes the negative attitude of employee to positive attitude for the attainment of organizational goals. For example, if a worker is not rewarded properly, he may develop negative attitude towards his work. By giving suitable reward, positive encouragement and praise, his negative attitude can be changed into positive. Reduces labor turnover. Good motivation helps us in retaining the talented employees in the organization. It reduces the rate of labor turnover and hence saves the cost of new recruitment and training. Reduces absenteeism. Through sound motivational system, the rate of absenteeism in an organization is reduced. Generally, in an organization, the workers are absent due to bad working conditions, poor relations with the supervisor or colleagues, inadequate rewards. All these deficiencies are covered by motivation. Help us in introducing changes. Through motivation, new techniques can easily be introduced in an organization without much resistance from the employees. Motivated employees know that such changes will bring in additional reward to them too. Thanks.